Before your Kundalini rises like a divine river of light, your breath must become your bridge between body and soul. This is the science of pranayama, the heart of Kriya Yoga. Most seekers rush to advanced techniques, but neglect the very air that carries life force within. Today, you'll learn the true science, step-by-step methods, and safe approach to prepare your subtle body through conscious breathing. 1. What is pranayama in Kriya Yoga? In Sanskrit, prana means vital energy. Ayama means expansion. Pranayama is not mere breath control. It is expanding your life force beyond the ordinary limits. In Kriya Yoga, pranayama purifies the nadis, the subtle energy channels, and awakens dormant potentials in your spine. 2. The 5 Vayus, the 5 winds of life. Ancient yogis mapped the body's energy into 5 currents, called Vayus. Each Vayu has a role. 1. Prana Vayus governs inhalation, centered in the chest. 2. Apana Vayu governs exhalation, elimination, centered in the lower abdomen. 3. Samana Vayu governs digestion and assimilation, centered at the navel. 4. Udana Vayu governs upward movement of energy, speech, centered at the throat. 5. Vyana Vayu governs circulation, energy distribution, whole body. Why learn this? Every pranayama practice influences these Vayus, balanced Vayus, equal balanced life force, which is essential for safe Kundalini awakening. 3. Nadis, the subtle channels. Imagine rivers flowing through your body. Yogic texts say we have 72,000 nadis, but 3 are primary. Ida, left channel, cooling, lunar, mind. Pingala, right channel, heating, solar, vitality. Sushumna, central channel, spiritual ascent. Pranayama's first goal is to purify Ida and Pingala, so Sushumna opens naturally. 4. Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. One of the safest, most vital pranayamas for beginners. Purpose: purifies Ida and Pingala, balances brain hemispheres, calms mind and nervous system. How to practice: 1. Sit comfortably in a straight spine posture. 2. Use your right hand in Vishnu Mudra, index and middle fingers folded. 3. Close right nostril with thumb. Inhale deeply through left nostril. 4. Close left nostril with ring finger. Exhale slowly through right. 5. Inhale through right nostril. 6. Close right. Exhale through left. That's 1 round. Begin with 5 to 10 rounds. Tips: keep your breath smooth, gentle, no force. Visualize cool, pure prana entering, impurities leaving. Caution: do not practice if you have severe cold, nasal blockage, or high blood pressure without guidance. 5. Deep yogic breathing, Dirgha Pranayama. Before complex breath holds, master simple, full breathing. Purpose: teaches complete lung expansion, increases pranic capacity, releases shallow breathing habit. How to practice: 1. Sit straight or lie down. 2. Place 1 hand on chest, 1 on abdomen. 3. Inhale slowly, first expand belly, then ribs, then chest. 4. Exhale in reverse order, chest, ribs, belly. 5. Repeat gently for 10 minutes. Risk: none when done calmly. Do not rush or overfill lungs forcefully. 6. Psychological and spiritual benefits. Daily pranayama clears mental fog, reduces stress and anxiety, opens deeper states of meditation naturally. Remember, when the breath wanders, the mind is unsteady. When the breath is steady, the mind rests in stillness. Now you've learned what pranayama is truly about, how Vayus and Nadis work, how to perform Nadi Shodhana and Dirgha Pranayama safely, why these practices lay the perfect groundwork for Kundalini. Your homework: practice these 2 techniques daily for the next 3 days. Journal how your body, mind, and breath feel. Next, we will enter the world of advanced pranayama, Kumbhaka, Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, and the secret of Kriya Pranayama. Your journey is sacred. When your breath is pure, your mind is pure. When your mind is pure, your spine becomes a river for Shakti to rise. 7. Kumbhaka, the secret power of breath retention. In the ocean of pranayama, Kumbhaka is the hidden pearl. What is Kumbhaka? Kumbhaka means pot-like. Just as a pot holds water, your body holds prana when you retain breath. Yogis believe that life is not measured in years, but in breaths. By slowing or pausing the breath, you extend life, awaken inner powers, and stabilize the mind. Types of Kumbhaka. 1. Antar Kumbhaka, inner retention, holding breath after inhalation. 2. Baya Kumbhaka, outer retention, holding after exhalation. 3. Kavala Kumbhaka, spontaneous retention, when breath naturally suspends in deep meditation. How to practice basic Kumbhaka. 1. Sit in your meditation posture with a straight spine. 2. Begin with Nadi Shodhana to calm breath. 3. Inhale gently and fully. 4. Hold the breath comfortably without strain. 5. Exhale slowly and completely. Start with 2 to 3 second holds, gradually increasing to 10 to 20 seconds as your lung capacity and nervous system strengthen. Risks and cautions. Do not attempt long breath holds if you have heart issues, hypertension, or anxiety disorders without guidance. Always practice in a calm environment, ideally early morning or after bath when body is fresh. 8. Kapalbhati, the skull shining breath. Meaning, Kapal equals skull, body equals shining. This pranayama is said to purify the frontal brain region, energizing your entire system. How to practice Kapalbhati. 1. Sit in a comfortable straight spine posture. 2. Take a deep breath in. 3. Begin rapid forceful exhalations by contracting the abdomen, letting inhalation happen passively. 4. Do 30 short exhalations, then rest. Benefits. Detoxifies lungs and sinuses. Awakens sluggish mind. Prepares energy for Kundalini rising. Risks. Avoid if you have hernia, high blood pressure, or are pregnant. Never force your breath to the point of dizziness. 9. Bhastrika, the bellows breath. Bhastrika is the yogic fire breath, like bellows fanning a flame. How to practice Bhastrika. 1. Sit straight with relaxed shoulders. 2. Inhale deeply and exhale forcefully through the nose, using diaphragm, like blowing air rapidly. 3. Do 10 to 20 breaths per round. 4. Rest and observe your sensations. Benefits. Generates heat, purifies nadis, strengthens lungs and nervous system, stimulates prana flow upward. Risks. Avoid if you have heart disease, hypertension, fever, or recent surgery. Do not overdo. It is a powerful technique best practiced under guidance initially. 10. Kriya Pranayama, spinal breathing, the heart of Kriya Yoga. This is the ultimate pranayama practice of Kriya Yoga, kept secret for millennia. What is Kriya Pranayama? It involves mental breathing along the spinal pathway, Sushumna, energizing each chakra, purifying karma, and drawing prana to the crown. General guidance, no initiation level secrets revealed. 1. Sit in Padmasana or Siddhasana with straight spine. 2. Breathe deeply, calming your mind. 3. Visualize prana flowing up from the base of spine to the crown as you inhale. 4. As you exhale, visualize it descending back to the base. 5. Practice with deep devotion, humility, and slowness. Benefits. Awakens Kundalini safely over time. Purifies karmic impressions. Brings blissful stillness and samadhi states. Risks and cautions. Kriya Pranayama should ideally be practiced only after proper initiation. Without ethical preparation, yamas and niyamas, body purification, and mental stability, this practice can cause energetic imbalances, disorientation, or emotional upheavals. 11. Visualization practices with pranayama. Pranayama is not mechanical. Add visualization to deepen effect. Visualize golden light purifying each chakra. Imagine lotuses blooming along spine. Feel divine nectar descending during Kumbhaka. These subtle additions turn breathwork into spiritual worship. 12. Final contemplative guidance. My dear seeker, remember, breath is the sacred bridge between your human self and your cosmic self. Do not rush. Advanced pranayama is like handling sacred fire. It can illuminate your soul or burn your unprepared system. What you learned. Practice the beginner techniques daily. Approach advanced pranayama with humility and discipline. Seek guidance if diving deeper. Always end your practice with silent sitting, allowing energies to settle into harmony. If this deep teaching inspired you, share your reflections and comments. Tell me, which pranayama practice do you wish to master first? Subscribe for upcoming Kriya Yoga and Kundalini practices to awaken your divine potential.